Hello YouTubers, welcome to my channel Try It Yourself, and today's quick video basically almost unpacking and review of this Warrior grinder I got today from Harbor Freight Tools. The assembly part is actually really easy. All you have to do is just take the handle. If you're righty like I am, you can do it on this side. If you're lefty, there's option for the other side. So just keep in mind when you're buying it, the grinder comes without the wheels, without the cutting wheels. You're gonna have to buy it separate, and that's pretty much it. So today I have a first test. I'm building a outside cat house, so I have a few screws to cut, and this should be just stuff like that. I don't think if you're going to be able to use it for anything major. I bought it so I could use it on my small home projects. So like I said, there's nothing really much to assemble. You just put the handle on the side that's comfortable for you. That's it. You plug in. The power switch is on this side, and to control it, you basically just slide forward like this, and that should work. To change the wheels, what comes in the package: the grinder itself, the wrench. So the original arbor is for 5/8, but if you can flip this washer over here the other way around, you actually can use 7/8 on this one, according to that one. I bought myself 5/8. And I guess the biggest wheel you can use with this one is 4.5 inches. Well, right now they didn't have any in stock, plus 4-inch was on sale, so hey, might as well. There was a pack of 10. This should last me for whatever I do over here. So let's talk more work. So just like that, it does what it's supposed to do. I think actually with a little time you could cut even bigger bolts than this one. All I had, just a few screws sticking from the hinge. This is perfect for a job like that, but I think you should be able to pull even bigger job than that. Anyway, if you are looking for a tool like that, that's what it's all about. Thank you for watching, and good luck.